So technically this is a really pretty slime. And if you guys see this lip side, because I didn't fix the camera because my camera just like fell. And I just deleted, which is really sad, I just deleted my, the video that I used to, I'm not going to tell you guys any kickbacks. Because the ones that I'm showing you right now are the ones I'm actually going to be doing in a second, because I just deleted a video. I think that video is going to go up before this one. Wait. No, this one's going to go first because I want to show you guys my slimes, and then you guys will see me cook them. I don't know why it's so small. It's just like nothing. I'm just going to show you guys a few, and then tomorrow when I finish, I'm going to do a part 2. Maybe I'll have to do a part 3. You'll never know. And, okay, I'm just going to go with the pretty ones. Here's this, like, cotton candy color. And it's a really pretty cotton candy. I don't know why I love this. It's like, I don't know. It's just cotton candy makes me sick, so I don't really eat it. I'm hurrying through this, like, I don't know why. I can take my time. Just my camera fell, and I can't record barely anything. I'm just gonna show you guys a few because I have like 1,000 in here. So I'm gonna show you like 2 more. This pretty purple. I may make more pop sockets in my future. Maybe like when I'm 9 and I can afford pop sockets. I probably bought like a whole bunch. And they were like so cheap. And they were black. So I just designed them. And maybe I'll sell them as my merchandise. And you guys can have pop sockets. Okay, I'm going to do one more so then I can do it. I'm going to do this pretty red velvet cupcake one. It has a little bit of glitter because my hand. I don't know if you guys can see that. And this container was used for another slime that I made that doesn't work anymore, so I threw it away. And those are all the slimes I'm going to show you for today. Maybe tomorrow I'll do a part 2 showing all these other slimes, so I can make a part 2 of the slime of the video that I'm going to do after this. Yeah, so I'm going to make a video right after this one because I just deleted that one. And I'm probably going to show all the slimes right here. So, please like and subscribe. And remember, have a sunny Sunday and... Wait, that was messed up. Have a happy... I can't fix this camera. Wow. Have a happy and sunny Saturday and Sunday. Bye. I'm going to start doing that.